Hi there folks, how you doing? I'm Ross Minton, this is Grow Your Own Life. Please like and subscribe. The last few weeks I've been planting bulbs, plenty to be going at, so please enjoy this video, get outside, live life, grab some bulbs, stick them in the garden. The wonderful people at GT Bulb Company have sent me some bulbs. Woohoo! Yay! So let's get them in the ground, shall we? It's really simple to plant bulbs. A lot of people take it far too seriously. You don't need to. Just get them in the ground. Get them any time of year. They're an investment for the garden. Bulbs, plants, everything wants to grow. There's a lot of things you can do with bulbs. You know, you can do 2 times the depth, you can do 3 times the depth. You can put them in pots, you can put them in the ground, you can put them pretty much anywhere you want to. But they ain't going to grow if they're not in the ground, so just go and buy some and get them in the ground. Hello Mr. Robin, how you doing mate? No worms today, I'm in compost. I'm not digging. You poke them into little tiny holes and then you top up the soil, and the bulbs are roughly 2 to 3 times their depth. I tend to do it at twice their depth because I mulch, so later on in the winter I'll get some bark or some mulch and I'll put a big thick layer on top of that because of the frost and everything else. So if I did them 3 times the depth, once I put the mulch on it would be 4 times the depth, so that's why I like to do 2 times the depth. That's just me. Possibly the easiest way to plant bulbs would be to do this method, which is basically you clear out a big space. You can either make yourself a bed, dig out another bed, dig out a flower bed, and then lay all your bulbs out and lay them how you want them. Put a few daffodils, put a few tulips, put a few grape hyacinths, and dot them around exactly how you want them, but build them up in layers. First thing you want to do is obviously put in your big daffodils and your big tulips and any other big summer bulbs, the names of which I'm not going to pronounce because I'll get them wrong. Anyway, then you want to lay them out, then cover them over, and then put your medium-sized bulbs in, and then cover those over, and then put your small bulbs like your grape hyacinths in, and then cover those over. And if you build up a layer like that, it's so easy to plant. This video has been sped up, obviously, but this raised bed, took me about 35 minutes from start to finish, and it only took me about 20 minutes to build it. So it's a really easy way of getting some colour in the garden all throughout the year. The bulbs I've got in here from GT Bulb Company, I've got spring bulbs, I've got summer bulbs, I've got late summer bulbs, I've even got autumn bulbs. I've got bulbs for every month of the year basically, so hopefully this bed should provide some really nice colour throughout the year, and also should give the bees and butterflies a nice little head start come spring.